What we're going to be learning about in this unit is transformations. There's 4 different types of transformations you're going to learn about. You're going to learn about translations, reflections, dilations, and rotations. Alright, so what we're going to work on now is our 3rd type of transformation. It's called a dilation, and with the dilation they give you a scale factor. Now, our scale factor can tell us if our shape is going to get larger or smaller. If the scale factor is bigger than 1, we know our image is going to expand. If the scale factor is smaller than 1, like a fraction, it's going to get a shrink. So let's look at our first one. I can see that my scale factor is 2, which tells me that my shape is going to get larger. So as you can see, I already have the original ordered pairs written for us. So all I need to do is multiply our original ordered pairs. So for -2, 5, all I have to do is multiply the x and the y value by 2. So -2 times 2 for k prime is now going to be -4, 10. For L prime, again, I have to just multiply them both by 2. So 1 times 2 is 2, and 1 times 2 is 2. So my new order pair is 2, 2. And the last one is M prime. I just have to multiply the x and the y by 2. So -3 times 2 is -6. And 1 times 2 is 2. Now the last thing I have to do is just plot my new points. So I'm going to go to -4, +10. And I'm going to put my dot there, and I'm going to write k prime. The next one is M at 2, 2, which is going to be right here. And that is L prime. And the last one is M prime, which is -6, +2, which is right here at M prime. Now all I have to do is connect my points. And as you can see, my image got larger. If you need help with this, come and see me. Alright, so let's look at this second dilation. This time I know our dilation is going to shrink because check it out, my scale factor is smaller than 1. It's 1/2, meaning it's actually going to be 1/2 the size. A dilation is the only transformation that's going to make an image bigger or smaller, change the sides, the side lengths, change the area, the perimeter. It's the only one that's going to change anything. So let's look at it. I have all of my order pairs given for me. I'm going to do the same thing I did before when my image enlarged, except for now it's going to get smaller. So let's look at our first order pair and let's make S prime. Our original order pair was -4, 3. I need to multiply both the x and the y by 1/2. So -4 times 1/2 is -2. 3 times 1/2 is 1.5. Now let's do T prime. Again, my original order pair was 6, 6. So when I multiply 6 by 1/2, I get 3. When I multiply 6 by 1/2, I get 3 again. Now let's look at the order pair U. I'm going to make U prime. I'm going to multiply both the x and the y values by 1/2. So 4 times 1/2 is 2, and 2 times 1/2 is 1. So now I have all my new order pairs. Now I just need to plot them. So I'm going to go to -2, and then 1.5, which is right here between 1 and 2. This is S prime. I'm going to go to my T prime, which is 3, 3, and I'm going to label it T prime. Last thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go to U prime, which is at 2, 1, and here is U prime. Now all I have to do is just connect my points. And as you can see, my image shrunk, made it smaller. Come and see me if you need help.